Hello and welcome to week 5 of geometry. This is Miss Oric, and I'm going to go through with you some things that you're going to be doing this week. For your week 5 discussion forum, you're going to choose a career that uses geometry, discuss what concepts of geometry are important to that field, and explain how geometry has influenced outcomes over the past years in that field. So basically what this question is asking you is to think about a career that uses geometry and to explain what parts of geometry are important to that field or job. And to explain how does geometry make things in that field work, okay? And to also be thinking about and explain how geometry caused different discoveries over the years in that field. So those are the probing questions you want to think about and you want to respond to for your week 5 discussion. And then, of course, you'll post that by Friday. And then by Sunday, the 10th, you will respond to 2 posts from 2 classmates. Your week 5 assignment is an assignment option. So you choose one to complete. You can create a slideshow, video presentation about a profession that uses geometry and is also of interest to you. If you choose that, then you have 2 links that you can look at about different professions, or you can do the student choice board. So the student choice board is a choice of activities to do. Some of these you may have already done for an exit card, so they'll look familiar to you, but when you click on it, it'll open up and you will see the different choices you have here. So you can create a logo for a t-shirt that relates to geometry, explain why you chose the specific geometric shape or shapes and what the logo stands for. You can make your own geometry quiz. You can create a board game about geometry, write a song or poem about geometry, do a digital presentation, make a cartoon or comic, do a news report, or create a crossword puzzle. So again, some of these we may have done as an exit ticket, and that's fine if you choose to do that again, if you choose to do obviously a different assignment and not post the same one, or you can choose something from the actual choice board, okay? And then your exit card is going to be a 3-2-1. You'll write 3 things that you learned this past week as they relate to the topics, 2 things that you liked about the responses, ideas, thoughts, and projects submitted by your classmates, and 1 topic that you thought was the most interesting and why. So those are the things you're working on this week. In addition to that, you are also working on your culminating project. By this point, everyone has worked on their product proposals in weeks 3 and 4. You've received feedback from me, and you should be well underway with your projects. If for some reason you have not submitted your proposal to me, it is very past due at this point, and you need to get it to me as soon as possible so that you are not scrambling at the last minute to complete your culminating project, which also is shared with the class. So really you're working from here on, you'll be working on your actual culminating product. And again, the product and the process are 2 parts. Your product is your actual prototype, blueprint, whatever it is that you're creating. And your process is how you're going to explain it to the class. Are you going to create a video and then show your prototype and explain how you built it and why you created this, so on and so forth? Or are you going to discuss it in a PowerPoint presentation? Okay, or a written presentation. So you need to have a way that you're going to communicate it to the class and share it. That is your process. And then also your product, what you're actually creating. Okay, so that is it for week 5. If you have any questions or concerns about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. And I look forward to seeing your work for this week. Bye.